This is a remarkable musket that is on generous loan to us from Michael Barbieri, and it is the arm of the Brunswick troops that served here in North America during the American Revolution. Brunswick was one of the largest states to provide forces as auxiliaries for the British military during the American Revolution, although we know that thousands of them served in America, fighting in the northern campaigns at Ticonderoga, Hubbardton, Bennington, and the battles of Saratoga. Very few of their documented arms have survived to the present day. This appears to be one of them, and one of the ways we can tell is that on the wrist plate here, we have an engraved escutcheon or thumb piece with the intertwined C's of Duke Carl, the ruler of Braunschweig, indicating that this was one of those muskets. Likely something that was captured potentially at Bennington or surrendered at Saratoga. Again, like all armies in this time period, it is a smoothbore flintlock weapon, so it operates just the same as any other British, French, or German arm. You do have to note on this that the lock has been replaced, actually by, in this case, a French lock, which suggests kind of a long life in American hands after it was captured from its original owner. But overall, it bears some of the kind of common features that we see on German military arms in most of the states of northern Germany. That is, heavy engraving of the wood or carving of the wood around the lock plate, the tang of the barrel, and elsewhere. This high, sharp, rather short comb to the buttstock, and generally kind of heavy hardware. In the case of the ramrod pipes here, the kind of very faceted shapes. This is all very similar to what the Prussian army was doing, although Prussian muskets were manufactured in an arsenal in Potsdam near Berlin, which is not where states like Braunschweig got their arms from. This was likely made in Herzberg in Hanover or in Celle, which we know Brunswick forces were acquiring their arms from during the 18th century, and it is a remarkable, marked survivor from Brunswick troops that served here in America during the Revolutionary War.